Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on FlirtMe. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in flirtme.com and press enter. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, you will find the login button at the top right corner, so click on it and then use your Google or your Facebook account or your credentials to log in. After logging into your account, if you wish to change your username, just click on My Profile at the top left section. You will then be taken into your profile page. Now, from your profile page, underneath the General Info button, you will find your username. You can tap on the Edit button at the right side of your username and you will be able to change your username. Type in your desired username that you want to use and make sure that it is unique and not taken by anyone else. Now from this section you can also change your date of birth if you wish to do so and your location. After making all of your desired changes, you can tap on the Save button and your username will immediately be changed. You can come back to this page anytime and change your username as many times as you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on FlirtMe. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.